Vanakkam. Today, June 20th, we are celebrating the 79th birthday of Kalai Mamani, Guru Srimati Krishnaveni Lakshmanan. She used to be an extraordinary teacher. Extraordinary in the sense, she understood her students. For example, those who needed strict discipline, she was very strict in the class. And those who needed a friendly approach, she was friendly to those students. And those who needed a motherly affection, she used to be a mother to all her students, and I am one of them who was privileged, and I am humbled to remind all those wonderful moments in my life. I met her in Kalakshetra. Of course, I was 11 years old when I joined Kalakshetra, and I used to see her just passing through the campus at Kalakshetra with a surprising or how to say, it's a marvel when she appeared in the campus. Her walking used to be as a dancer, or I don't know, her humble nature or her motherly nature. Her presence was just a wonder for me. I'm sure that she got all this from Srimati Rukmini Devi, and she was the true disciple of Srimati Rukmini Devi, and she lived the best of Kalakshetra as a Kalakshetriyan, and she served Kalakshetra all her life. I had so many opportunities to perform with her in her own school programs. So many programs I took part, and the memorable one, what I can tell you, one is Nala Damayanti. She performed as Damayanti, and I had the opportunity to enact as the King Nala with her, and that was an extraordinary experience. My God, what can I say? I learned all that in Kalakshetra itself, because as Gayatri says, her mother, but for us, she is a mother for all of us, all her students. She is truly an eternal Sita of Kalakshetra. However, I think Srimati Rukmini Devi imagined Sita, and Srimati Krishnaveni Amma had that Sita, and I saw Valmiki's Sita through Krishnaveni Amma. I had performed so many times with her in the Ramayana as Lakshmana. I wonder how I enacted as Lakshmana, but she, with one glance, she could make me feel I am Lakshmana. And along with me and Krishnaveni teacher, Professor Janardhanan used to do Rama, and Janardhanan sir just needs to hold my hand. I already become Lakshmana. And of course, how to say the presence of Professor Balagopal sir as Hanuman. That was the team pillars of Kalakshetra dance productions from the time I witnessed. And her extraordinary choreographies like Jayadeva and Panchali Shabadam. In both these dance dramas, I was there with the original choreography, and I still remember when we did Panchali Shabadam, Professor Janardhanan, Duryodhana, and Professor Balagopal as Shakuni, and the team very strong. And the other side, Pandava side, all four brothers and myself as Yudhishthira. And it was as a young, I think I was about 22, 23 years old. And that time I was, it was challenging to perform to perform alongside these stalwarts is easier, but to be opponent like Duryodhana and team and Pandava side, it was my responsibility to hold that power. But that young age I was not experienced enough to understand the part of Yudhishthira. So the dice game is going on, and always Yudhishthira is a loser, though he is brilliant in that game. But as a loser, I was feeling always like, oh I lost, oh I lost, I lost. But you know, one of those final rehearsals, Krishnaveni teacher as a choreographer of this production, she came to me very close for the first time. And she said that, Mogatha Pata Pavama irukku. I said, whoa. So I am not a Pavam who is the loser. And that right moment, she knew how to kick me. And that's when I learned to be Yudhishthira in that production. She had marvelous qualities to train a student. For example, Nritta part and all. She is the one who made me Shiva. In Meenakshi Vijayam, she taught me as the Velli Ambalam, especially that Kirtanam was taught by Krishnaveni teacher. And she made me feel Shiva when I was dancing. And even today when I perform, even in a repertoire choreography, that her teaching, I still remember how to be the character and when it is needed. And that's what Srimati Krishnaveni Lakshmanan for me. What to say? I have all wonderful memories of Krishnaveni teacher. She lived with me every day. Every day when I pray, all my gurus come in my prayers along with gods. I just want to celebrate her birthday, and all memorable moments I cherish all my life. Thank you for this opportunity, Gayatri, and wishing you all the very best for the celebrations. Namaskaram.